Hello everyone, welcome back to Gossipfunda, and today we are going to fix an issue of the game Helldivers 2. So the SOS beacon of the game is not working, and in this video we gonna fix it. So to use SOS beacon, first of all you need to select a mission, and then anytime during the play, anyone can join you by selecting your mission on the map or by a quick match. If the SOS is not working, then first of all check your internet connection or even try to set up a new connection from your service provider, and make sure to check the server status of the game and also the network status of PlayStation. This will help you to know whether all services are working properly or not. Many players has reported that they are facing this issue after the latest update patch of the game. So this bug may be caused by the latest version of updates, and some players have reported that turning off crossplay can help to fix this issue. To turn off the crossplay, first of all pause the game, then go to options, go to gameplay, and there you will get an option of crossplay. From this arrow button, simply turn it off and your issue will be resolved. So these were some ways to fix your issue. I hope this video helps. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. You can also visit our website from the link in description. Thank you so much. See you soon.